Hey David, I spoke with you this morning on the phone. My name is Lee Terbienic, and I've been doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video after you watch it. So let's jump right in. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now content is anything that you can see that is written on this home page. Even if you have pictures, what they're saved as is considered content. So Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on your home page. Now you got to think, Google is only a crawling bot. All it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information on your home page, it doesn't really know what your services are and how to rank you. It's also important because there's very special keywords that people are typing in each and every month that are looking for your service, which we'll get into in a bit. But anyways, I did a quick search for plumbing Columbus, Ohio, and as we scroll down you can see waterworks.com is in first place for this keyword. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. So as we scroll down you can see they don't really have much content either, maybe 100, 200 words. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words of keyword rich content for this homepage, you would easily beat them in that aspect. Now let's go back because I'm going to break down Google for you. Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here advertised. And 9 times out of the 10, people don't ever go up here. I know I don't. I always go here or down here for their website. So we're not going to really touch base on that too much. But this is really where I would like to see your company pull up. And this is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business section. Now what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. There's tons of them. Now they're not created equal either, so some are powerful and some are not. But I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and I put this top guy, the Waterworks information in, and it tells me he has 19 citations. So the best part about this is we can go into his citations, and there's a whole list of these to be submitted for your business. Now, as I said, they're not created equal, so as you can see this domain authority, that's how strong they are. So as you can see, it goes down in numbers. That means it's weaker as it goes down. So we want stronger ones that are more relevant to your business. And I want to add maybe 100, 200 for your company, not only to swamp these guys out and beat them by a landslide, but also to get your name in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. Now, that was citation. So this third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and that is what ranks you in this organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website. And I bet you're wondering what's a backlink. So a backlink is any other website that links back to your website via a hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them on websites before. There's little blue writing, you click it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving the other website a backlink, and Google considers them votes. You got to think, if one website is willing enough to put a hyperlink in their website for somebody else, that they're vouching for them to send the traffic to them. And Google says, okay, if this company is vouching for them, we're going to give them points for that. So I have another tool I use, and it's called Ahrefs, and this will show me a complete overview of your site stats versus that top guy. So as you can see, I put Hesson Plumbing in, and this UR and DR numbers are very important. You are doing well at the moment, but it's a little low. But as far as well, I mean they're close together. They call this the golden ratio rule of 1 to 1. You want to have these as close as possible. But this goes from 0 to 100, 100 being the strongest, 0 being the worst. So you have a 26-25, which is not bad. As you can see, you have 61 websites giving you 694 backlinks. But the only strong ones that are transmitting power are these do follow referring domains or websites, and you have 42 of them. You're ranking for 84 keywords, and you're getting about 300 traffic. So now let's look at your competitor, the Waterworks. As you can see, he's in first place down here. Now he has a 42 and a 26. So this UR is the overall page strength, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. So he's right around equivalent with you, but he just has more do follow links at the moment. He's got 97. and he does have more backlinks and more referring domains, so that's pushing him up above you at the moment. But the best part about this is, just like on the citations, we can go into his referring domains, and here's a full laid out list of all his domains that we can go and submit for your business. We know it's working for him, it'll work for you too to get you up to the top. So now I want to show you some of these keywords that you are ranking for. Now this is why it's important to have that 1500 words, like I said. As you can see, this is going to show me the exact keyword, how many times it's being searched each month, and how hard it is to rank for. So you are ranking in the first position for, your name and plumbers Pickering, plumber Pickering, Ohio. A lot of Pickering keywords, but I want to see you expand and go out a little bit further. So as you can see, there's a lot of keywords for plumbing Newark, 300 searches a month, and you're in the current 34th position. That's the third page. But this is being searched 300 times each and every month, and it's got a 4KD. That means keyword difficulty, so that tells me there's not many websites trying to rank for this keyword. As we scroll down, Pickering water bill, no. Central Ohio plumbers, 30 searches a month. Ohio plumbing, 700 searches for that. That's 700 people looking for an Ohio plumber each and every month. Central Ohio plumbing, 30. Plumbers Newark, Ohio, 203. That's 200 people looking for plumbers in Newark, Ohio, and that means there's not many people trying to rank for that. But you're on the 5th page, you're in 53rd position. So best plumbing, Columbus, Ohio, 50 searches. Plumbing, Columbus, Ohio, 500 searches for that. You're on the 6th page. So there is tons of work that keywords that people are typing in for your area that you're missing out on by not being on the first page for. And I'd love to help you out with that. But that was just a quick overview. Let's talk about what we spoke about. And the thing was, your first thing was content. You need 1500 words to squeeze in those keywords that I just showed you throughout. You could put one for every 100 words so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. Second thing was citations, which is what ranks you in this GMB section. I'd like to get like 200 to 300 for you guys, beat out these guys by a landslide, and get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was the link juice or backlinks, and that's what ranks you in this organic section. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, David, and I hope you have a great day. And any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. That's all I ask. Thank you.